Hello, my name is Greg from Motor Match Crewe, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. This Volkswagen Touareg Escape model here is powered by a 3-litre TDI V6 engine along with all 4Motion all-wheel drive. The exterior is finished in black paint, and this large SUV will give you all the practicality and versatility of a large vehicle with the added grip thanks to the 4-wheel drive system. Featuring silver alloy wheels which will stand out against the black paint, as well as automatic headlights with daytime running lights and static cornering fog lights. The boot space is absolutely cavernous, and that's before you fold down the rear seats. It's a nice note, there is a space saver spare on offer just in case. Inside you'll find full Vienna black leather, as well as a center armrest with cup holders and 2 ice fixture anchor points. Leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel with front seats that will offer additional side lumbar support are just some of the key highlights as well. The part digital instrument cluster is operated via the leather-wrapped multifunction wheel and will feature a digital speedometer. There's also satellite navigation guidance which can be displayed up ahead with music, DAB radio, Bluetooth connectivity and various other assistant modes on offer. The touch-sensitive touchscreen will also feature easy controls for your DAB digital radio reception. Additional media source inputs are also available should you wish to utilize them as well. Phone connectivity and pairing is incredibly easy, and there is also built-in satellite navigation with live traffic updates so you never get stuck in any nasty traffic jams. Additionally, 4-wheel drive system is fully adjustable, and to help you parking, you'll be pleased to know there are also front and rear audible and visual parking sensors at all times. Easy to operate, the 2-zone climate control system can be operated via the screen or the rotary dials here. It's fully complemented by winter pack heated front seats as well. RAC extended warranty is available on this vehicle. For more information about it or to arrange a test drive, please give us a call on 01270 864 408 or inquire online now. Many thanks for watching.